my dear learners of RGS Oxford English YouTube channel. Thank you so much as you are watching my video day by day. Again, you are welcome to my new video. And you see here the new subject is sound of alphabet. It is very interesting and very difficult also. And if you practice more and more, I think that is very easy for all of us. Anyway, you know well that there are 26 letters in our English grammar. In our English subject, there are 26 letters. But it's a matter of surprise that there are 44 sounds. There are 44 sounds. So, I would like to discuss the sound of the letters as much as I am concerned about the dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary. And you see on the board some letters here. The first letter, second letter, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth letters. And today I will discuss these 6 letters one by one. Now let's go to our main point. You see here the first letter A. Here the symbol. You see some circles here. And in the circle, there are symbols which are taken from Oxford Dictionary, English to English. And if you look up the word or the symbols from the Oxford Dictionary, you will get easily. And you will be able to sound or pronounce the letters or words very easily. You see, A, but the sound will be A. The example you see here, apple. And here in the circle, you see the symbol A-P-L. I mean that apple. Next example, ant. Here in the circle, you see that A and T, ant. Next you see X. The symbol in the circle you see A, K, S. A, K, X. Next you see the second letter is B. Second letter is B, but the sound B. The sound is B. Bowl. And it's an interesting matter that in the circle you see this symbol is O. According to the dictionary, O, B, O, bull. B, O, bull. Next you see the example, bear. Here also you see the symbol B, A, R. Boya. I mean that bear. Next you see the example B, O, A, T. Here the symbol is B, O, T, boat. And in this way, the third letter C. What is the sound The C, ka, ka, ka. I mean that cat. In the circle, you see ka, a, t, cat, ka, a, t, cat. And carrot, you see here, ka, a, r, a, t, carrot, carrot. And you see here, camel, camel. The C, ka, C, ka, 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 a, a, camel, camel. And the fourth word, the fourth letter is D, D, da. The sound is da. D. The sound is da, da. Dolphin, dolphin, dog, donkey, dolphin, dog, donkey, not donkey, donkey. You see in the circle, da, oh, E, donkey. Next, you see E, E. The sound is A. The sound is A. Ek. In the circle, you see the symbol is A, G. G, go. Go. Ek. In the same way, elephant. Elephant. E, A, O. Like this. Elephant. And you see here the sixth letter F. F. The sound will be in this way we will sound the letter. I mean that phrase, phrase, F, A, face, face, flag, flag, not flag, flag, flag. You see in the circle, you see the circle, the symbol here from the Oxford Dictionary, English to English. You see F, U, A, yeah, yeah. I mean that flag, 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 not flag, flag, flag. Oh, look. In the same way, you see that flower, it's a flower. And in this way, if we discuss, if we practice, if we sound the letter, I think that according to Oxford Dictionary, I will have the real sound of the letters. And I think that today the class, what I have done here, what I have delivered here, according to Oxford Dictionary, it will be appropriate or correct. So I would like to show you something different day by day, the next videos. And you are requested to watch my videos one after another and to practice more and more like this. And you must follow the dictionary, English to English, Oxford Dictionary, and then you will get the sounds. You will get the sounds, and you will learn the sounds. You will have the real sound of the letters. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again for watching my video. Okay, bye.